Hi, it's David Graham here. And what I wanted to do was share, this is probably going to be one of two videos that I wanted to share. Really, what this does do is it follows on from the four videos that I provided that focused on how high-performing sales professionals overcome customer indecision. What those videos have done is generated quite a lot of debate and discussion around, amongst other things, things like pipeline and forecasting and kind of how they dovetail together and some of the topics that we've been discussing around that. So what I wanted to do, first of all, is very quickly just discuss a little bit about pipeline in terms of doing that. So the first one, let's quick look at quick definition. So what we're saying is the opportunities that are outside of the current reporting period, whatever you have. So for example, with the fact we've just moved into Q3, pipeline will be focusing on, for example, Q4 of this year, Q1 and Q2 into next year. So that's what we mean about it's that longer term kind of focus. Also, what we're saying is, and we've been discussing, is there are effectively three key levers that you can focus on when talking to your sales professional. Now, remember, this is in conjunction with how do we overcome customer indecisions. The three levers that we were talking about is you've got one around volume. So in other words, is your sales professional going to, increase their pipeline by having more opportunities in there, or are they going to increase the average order value of those? The velocity piece is all around how are they going to speed up or condense the sales cycle or sales duration. And again, you can see where overcoming customer indecision, those videos that we talked about, kind of dovetails into that. And finally, all I wanted to do at this particular point was just share three example questions or topics that you can have or can form the basis of your pipeline meetings with your sales professionals. The first one is, given the sales professional's history around forecasting accuracy, average order value, et cetera, how is all of those measurements measuring up against the yearly target? If there's a shortfall, and because we're looking ahead, it gives us time to put remedial action into place. Have the 6 qualifying questions been answered? Remember, we're talking about opportunities in the pipeline that are at least 2, 3, 4, maybe more quarters out. So whatever your qualifying questions are, have they been dealt with? Okay. And finally, are we approaching the different people within the within the decision-making unit, rather than keep going to the people that we know or feel we have a good relationship with? How do we extend more of that going forward? As I said, very short video that just really wanted to explain or highlight, or cover the topics that have been generated by the 4 videos that I've been sharing. So as I said, there'll be another one shortly on forecasting. Hope you enjoy it. Happy to discuss the points with you. Thank you.